So I'm out here and I'm about to go to another one of Ryan's games. Today is what, Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday. But first I had to stop at the gas station. Let's zoom in on this 50 dang on dollars that I just had to spend. OD, it's OD ridiculous. But that's only a half a tank. I had to come right now because gas is only $4.85, girl. That shit was just $5.15, $5.05. So I was like, oh, $4.85. Let me go get me some gas before I go back up. But anyway, I'm gonna see y'all at Ryan's game. Got my nephew Seven with us. Hey Seven. Hey Kai. We made it to the park, you guys. I threw this hat on because it's pretty bright out, but whatever. Whatever. I'm out here about to be a baseball mom. Felt like I should have a baseball cap on. Okay. Oh, look at there. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, you're okay. They cocomelon everywhere they go. My boys. My boy.
Be careful.
Come on, clear up, you phone. I mean, camera.
Run. Sorry, Ryan. See the ball.
Let's go, Ryan.
Come on. Run.
There we go. Good, Joey. Good talk, guys. Get away. Keep going. Alex, we're here to chuck it, man. Fire it down a second.
Good cut.
Good contact, kid.
Guys, if that comes back in, it's a fair ball, right? Gotta kill it.
Good cut.
Joey, looking awesome.
Good cut, Ryan. Good cut.
Right there on the mound. Take your base, baby. Take your base, baby.
You okay?
Put the back. Drop the back.
Dude, stop being so goofy. Toss me the bat.
Woo! So we are just finishing up with Ryan's game. We're about to head off to Moosie's B-Day. Have some cake and ice cream. Dang, big head.
Car.
Sorry.
Wait, we're leaving our car here?
No. Yep. So, see you guys when we get there. Ryan, how was your game?
Good. But where are we going?
Ryan, how was your game?
But we got dogs.
Oh my gosh. That is terrible. That is. Well,
We got mopped.
I'm glad you had a good game, though. I'm glad you feel you had a good game. You're putting this on the internet, by the way. So. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Lord Taylor! How old are you? How old? They done got me outside, y'all. They done wore me. They done got me out here. But I'm on a wine mission, so they got me fitted.
Stop dancing like that. I said stop dancing like that. Dance like a boy.
Why you gotta hate me? Is you crazy? He meant she did that dance. Ooh.
Alright, go ahead.
Bust it, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's what Ryan Martin from.
Bend over, making me to care.